it my turn now?
Yeah, it's your turn.
This is a quarter hour, supposedly. There we go.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's got a good sound. It's a good case. The case is the resonator.
It'll
for
sound
the
even
sound.
better with the door closed, actually, but typically, yeah. All right, well, I just wanted to show that.
You want to do the hour?
Well, if you have time, I would love to hear the hour.
I have to add that it's nearing the end of its week run.
Yeah.
So it's a little slow on the chiming.
Yeah.
Because the springs are more unwound.
Sure.
And the torque is less. So
Well,
it
this
usually
sounds
plays
great.
at a little better pace.
That's amazing. Good job. I know the owner is going to be very happy. It was a simple fix.